Well, home from a shopping trip. So I got some 12mm steel plate, some Fanair OSB plyboard. Is this plyboard? I don't know, but yeah. And some insulation and some profile square tubing. So let's unload this. Everything is possible. I can't believe it. Well, let me explain, guys. These are 24-inch front wheels. These have been on my Ford TV10 tractor before, and I removed the disc from here because I wanna make a new disc that will fit on a different axle. I have axles like these, and I wanna fit the wheels on these, and then I'm going to weld the axles to this I-beam, and with the I-beam axles with two wheels I'm gonna move a cabin. So I was aiming to move a cabin. It will happen soon, maybe next week or after that. But yeah, apparently I was just thinking maybe I should check if the old discs would fit directly to the new axles. And look at this, it's totally the same. That's just once in a lifetime. I can't believe that. I got this on camera, you know. So the disc, it fits right away. That's too funny. That's too ridiculous. How is it possible? I can't believe that. Okay, so now I have this 12mm plate here that I was starting to make those discs off, but apparently I don't need to make them. So that means I can put this plate on the shelf now and start welding up the axle. Well, guys, there's the flag everybody's talking about. Somebody of you hate it and somebody love it. And now it's the time to explain why I have an American flag on the wall. Because it's so much comments about it all the time. Let's be honest. Why should everything nowadays be politics? Can't you have any fun here in the world? So, when I was a teenager, I got this as a gift. I don't remember from where, but I got it for free as a gift. Okay? I did put it up on the wall in my bedroom. I had it on the bedroom wall like 6 years. And then I moved from home. I started my own life. Then one day I was searching for something in my childhood room, and then I saw the flag. Then I thought, well, let's put up the flag in our workshop, because I like the look of the flag and I like America, so let's put it up. Now the flag has become really dirty and dusty, so maybe I should take it down and wash it. It has nothing to do with Donald Trump, nothing to do with Putin, nothing to do with Macron or something. It's just a flag that happens to be an American flag. And I like the look of it because I have never seen an Australian flag in a workshop before. But American flags, they are really popular to have on trucks, semi-trucks, tractors, workshops, shops, you name it. Secondly, my people from here, way back when, they went for work in America and Canada. So they were working with mining and forestry. So then they got work from America. Yeah, and people here on the west coast of Finland, they have always talked about the huge American dream. And with America, they mean also Canada, Alaska. The last summer I made a video about a guy, Peter Santanello. He was interviewing Finnish people in Michigan, if I don't remember wrong. So there's like a Finnish talking community in Michigan. And yeah, that has nothing to do with politics, again. And secondly and third, fourth, I don't know, but here in Finland, American stuff is very popular. Here where I live, we talk Swedish, actually, on the west coast of Finland. And we have a lot of country music lovers, and we have country music bands, and people are wearing country clothes, hats, stuff like that, boots. And lately it has been really popular with bluegrass music here in the west coast of Finland. It has nothing to do with politics, but we love America and I wanna go to America. I don't wanna be against anybody, and I'm not saying that America is a better country or something. I'm just saying it's a nice country. But with all this said, I'm gonna take the flag down. Well, good morning from Finland. It has been like -2 at night, but the temperature is rising quickly here. We're gonna get like 18 plus degrees here today. And yeah, now I'm gonna tell you about the cabin that I'm going to move. But people have been asking how it is with this cat. So here you got a glitch from him also. Leif. He's happy that the winter is over. But yeah, this cabin here, I'm gonna move it because I wanna build a shed here to have some shelves and stuff in. And this cabin is like a guest house slash sauna. So I wanna move the cabin from there to here. So that's why I am building the axle of the tractor wheels. I'm going to try to put the wheels here underneath and make a boom that I can hook to the tractor. And then I will hook it up and eventually gonna try to pull it down here. And I also need to do some concrete pad here for it. And when this cabin is moved, then I'm going to start building the shed I was talking about. So then I need to smooth out the ground. You can see I have already started pulling down this bicycle shed here. And yeah, when the cabin is moved, then I will smooth out the ground and make a concrete pad also here. So maybe you will see that in a future videos. Then I have this boat antenna satellite stuff. Furuno. So I don't know what to do with this. I'm gonna bring it to the... Yes. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. I will continue in the next video. Have a good day. Goodbye.